Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Age of Empires 4 error COOTO1R-1X-16 52656C690407. The error reads, "You are currently either offline or not yet signed into the Steam Xbox network. Please reconnect to sign into the game." Note, playing the game online is only required on first launch. As per our research, this error occurs when players are unable to access the game despite being signed into Steam. Some players have reported that the issue has persisted for several days, even though there are no ongoing maintenance updates. According to our research, the error may be related to network issues, game file issue, or Steam authentication glitches. Before trying anything else, we suggest you restart your system and make sure both the game and Steam are updated to their latest versions. If any of them needs to be updated, check if the error still appears. If the error persists, even when everything is up to date, then try validating the game files. To do this, open Steam and go to your game library. Then right-click on Age of Empires 4 and select Properties. Then navigate to the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Then wait for the process to complete and check if the error is resolved. If you still get the error, try signing out of Steam and signing back in. This may help re-authenticate your account. To do this, log out of Steam, then restart your PC. Then restart your router or modem. Then log back into Steam and try launching the game again. If the error still doesn't resolve, try changing your DNS settings manually. To do this, open your device's network settings, locate the DNS settings and switch to a manual DNS. Then enter 8.8.8.8 as primary DNS and enter 8.8.4.4 as secondary DNS. Save the changes and restart your system before checking for the error again. If the error still appears, visit steamstat.us to check if Steam is experiencing an outage or server-related issue. If Steam is down, you may need to wait until their services are restored. These are the possible fixes for the error. Try them out and see if they help. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.